Madan writing.
This is
Lycor. So our brother is also here. What's your name, brother? He doesn't say, and he's asking why you
why working?
why we working. So brother, we working because we the Tiprasa, the son of soils and the indigenous peoples of Tripura, we lost our lands because of the influx of the illegal migration. So many refugees and illegal migration from Bangladesh, they are coming to our state and they make the voter IDs, Aadhaar cards, and they became majority, and the local peoples they became minority. Because of that, we lost our political rights. So majority must be granted now. So the majority is the legal migrants, and they have political rights, they have economic, social, everything in their hand. So that's why it's a long pending demand of our Tripura peoples. So our Maharaja of Tripura, Maharaja Brother Bikram Shir Manikya, he also started a movement from since
How
2019.
many days you have been working, brother?
Huh?
How many days you have been working?
We already worked 16 days, approx 16 days, and so it's almost 450 kilometers up to Shillong, 470 maybe.
To what state of this stuff is?
Huh? No, we have to go in Delhi. Our destination is Delhi, so it's against the illegal migration. This protest is. So we want to aware the central government, and we have one demand. Greater Tripura, that is Greater Tripura and separate state, and like for that maybe 1968 or 70s, this Meghalaya is also under the Assam Nasa. In that time, the Meghalaya peoples are not independent na. They have no political rights. They are minority in Assam na. So Captain William Samma is fighting for the separate Meghalaya na. That's why now you get your Meghalaya state na. So like that, we are also demanding a Greater Tripura land, and our so many lands are now under the Bangladesh. Under the Bangladesh also, this is called the plain Tripura. When India is divided, in that time, our plain land that goes under the is Pakistan, means the Bangladesh. So and so many illegal migrants are also coming in Tripura. So that is the main fact. And now central government before 18 months ago, central government they promised us, and they make tripartite accord along with our Tiprasa peoples and through Maharaja Pratap Bikram Kishore Manikya, state government, Tiprasa peoples, and the central government. This is a tripartite accord. The name of that accord is Tiprasa Accord, and they promise to fulfill this accord within the 6 months. But it's already 18 months. Already 18 months. It's crossing 18 months also, 18, 19 months. So they forget their promise. So that's why. So we want to again remind them, want to remind them their promises. That's why this is a long march, historical long march, which was launched by myself and so many people. They are supporting this march, Tripura peoples, and many Khasi and Jaintia peoples, brothers, sisters, they are also supporting this, and they are showing their solidarity along with us. So it's this fourth march is following the principle of Gandhi. Okay. I am following the principle of Gandhi, so it's Gandhian principle. By the Gandhian principle, I am protesting this.
Okay.
So thank you very much for asking. So once again, I want to ask you, what's your name? Your house is nearby, na?
Yeah, nearby.
Thank you.
So
Thank you
this
very
is
much. Thank you very much.